Welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is regarding how to create a list of common names by comparing two lists. For example, here in this data, I have the training attendant report. The first column has the session 1 training attendance and the second column has the session 2 training attendance. My requirement here is to create a list of common names here in the column C. In this case, I can use the combination of filter, ISNUMBER and MATCH function. In this cell, press equal to, type the filter function, open parenthesis. In the array parameter of the filter function, select the first list or the session 1 list. Then put a comma. In the include parameter, combine the ISNUMBER function, open bracket, and in the value parameter of the ISNUMBER function, combine the match function, open bracket. In the lookup value of match function, select the first list, then put a comma. In the lookup array of the match function, select the second list, put a comma, and in the match type, select exact match by double clicking, close bracket for the match function, close bracket for ISNUMBER function, close another bracket for the filter function. Now press enter. Here you see the list of common names is created. These are the names that are appearing in both columns. So this is how we can create the list of common names by using the combination of filter, ISNUMBER and match function. If you want to practice this, you can download this sample data file from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video tutorial.